Yo, listen up, here's the story about a little guy that lives in a blue world. And all day and all night, and everything he sees is just blue. Like him, inside and outside. Blue his house with a blue little window and a blue Corvette. And everything is blue for him and himself and everybody around. Cause he ain't got nobody to listen.
And so if there's one thing that the Volkswagen Jetta is missing right now is definitely some sick turbo noises. We're going to be addressing that problem today. We're going to be installing the CTS turbo cold air intake on the Volkswagen Jetta. Ready to rock and roll, ready to work, ready to get this done. As you guys know, the factory airbox is garbage, it's restrictive, it's quiet, it's boring, and it's not fun. My particular engine is a 1.8 TSI engine. Yours may be different, yours may be MQB, non-MQB, 2.0 T like the GLI, doesn't matter. Install is very similar, basic hand tools, it's not that hard. Let's jump right into it and let's hear some sick turbo noises. You guys are gonna see exactly how this sounds, so let's jump right into this install. So this is exactly what you get with the CTS turbo intake package. I already assembled this intake last night. Actually, I got a little bit carried away, so I already put on the filter, the clamps, the silicone couplers. You have this air dam, which will be in place of your factory airbox. Super simple. This is where the cone will sit, right here in this little hole. The extra clamps, the nuts and bolts that are provided, one rubber grommet in case your factory one breaks, and that is it. Really simple. Let's jump right into the removal. Alright, stock airbox is out. So removing the airbox was a little bit of a pain in the butt because you got this coolant hose in the way and the airbox basically wraps around it like that, so you basically just have to wiggle it out of place. It took me about 5 minutes, but no big deal, we got it out now. Whew, sweating like a dog here, guys. So another very challenging part if you don't have the right tools, which happen to be in my case. I'm going to show you guys that right now. So right by the turbocharger, clamps are super hard to get to because the AC line is in the way. So I just used some very small vice grips to hold clamps on, and then I just simply lift it on the pipe. And also I used a tiny flathead screwdriver to pry in on that rubber to get it to release. Alright guys, stock intake is completely removed. Now let's get on to installing the new one.
About it. Everything about it.
Okay guys, so I'm just installing the final mounting bolt. As you guys can see right here, this is a 10mm bolt. You're also gonna need a long extension like this. Let's get that installed. Looks so sick, oh my god. You guys have no idea how excited I am. Alright, so the intake is installed. One final thing is just to put the engine cover back on. However, one good tip for you guys, double check all the crevices and all the connections, make sure they're tight. Alright, so we're at the homie's place. Gonna show you what the intake sounds like. How excited are you, dude?
Dude, I'm excited to hear this whooshy, boy. That's sick! Dude, it's so sick. That thing is is awesome.
There you guys have it. CTS turbo cold air intake on the Jetta. Hope you guys enjoyed. Drop any comments in the comments section.
Subscribe. Turn on post notifications.
Yeah.
I just hung out of a car to take roller shots for him. Y'all better subscribe.
Anyways, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.